Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Sir, a very large number of speakers have taken part in this debate on the resolution moved by Shri Singh, and it has become almost a marathon debate being carried on to the third week. My honorable colleague Mr. Dharia from the Planning Ministry was good enough to participate, and he made a few observations. I would not like to take much time of the House and shall try to be very brief. Yesterday also there was a major debate in this House, and a very wide ground was covered in the discussions in this August House. This resolution of Sri Singh has been brought to my mind much with sincerity of purpose, and he has suggested that there should be monopoly procurement of essential commodities, and the essential commodities should be made available to the consumers at a reasonable level of prices. As far as the intention of the honorable member is concerned, I have no opinion different from that held by the honorable member. The only point is how to translate it into action and what are its implications, and that will have to be really looked into. It is with regard to that I will be making a few observations. As far as the Government of India is concerned, a committee on essential commodities and articles of mass consumption has been set up by the Planning Commission to go into these matters, and the committee has finalized part 1 of its report and part 2 is under preparation. The Planning Commission will take an overall view of the recommendations made by the committee after the receipt of Part 2 of its report. The aim of the committee is to evolve a short-term as well as a long-term strategy for assured supply of essential commodities and articles to the common man at reasonable prices. This would involve the creation of a comprehensive procurement and distribution system. Evolving such a strategy for a large number of articles and commodities is a complicated matter and is likely to take some time. However, it is under active consideration. The Planning Commission at the moment is seized of the matter, and when the recommendations of the committee are available, naturally the various ministries will look into them and come to certain conclusions. As I said earlier, it is true that in this country, in order to have price stability, we have to see that some priority list of essential commodities is made, and those commodities are made available to the vulnerable sections of the community and fixed income groups at certain reasonable level of prices. Unfortunately, in this country, my experience is that we move from one extreme to other. Whenever the situation is very easy and agricultural seasons are good, then there is a very strong section of opinion which says where is the need for the government to intervene and unnecessarily interfere with the market mechanism when things are easily available to the people. Stop. Thank you.